The Sony MZ-R55 is a great SP-era portable recorder. I found this model on Buyee. It wasn't working with a gum stick. I think we know why. Check out that corrosion. I hate to be a one-trick pony, but you never know what you'll find on Buyee. So let's get to work. As usual, we'll want cotton swabs, vinegar, and alcohol to clean up those acids. For this one, I have a green Buyee envelope to pick up all the stuff I scrape off. As usual, just enough vinegar to keep the swab moist. We don't want a lot of vinegar, which is acid, to get into the device. Whenever it gets messy, use a dry swab to absorb excess fluid and alcohol to clean up. As you can see, we're making some progress, but we'll have to get in there and scrape. Gently scrape with tweezers and try to get the biggest chunks off. More scraping until the worst is over. Then back to the swabs. It's looking better. That's a lot of mess. Let's take the battery door off. It's just a small tab. We'll want to clean that off too. Much better. That won't affect the electronics, but we should clean it while we're there. Back to work on that terminal. Yes, it's the back of it, but we want to clean it anyway. Scrape off the big bits, and then we'll use vinegar for the rest. Looking much better. Final cleanup with vinegar and alcohol. Not perfect, but we can test. Let's try a gumstick battery. Looks good. Let's push play. And it works. Other controls are working too. Looks like it's all good. There you go. A quick cleanup was all it took. Thanks for watching.